Welcome to this comprehensive guide on root cause analysis, often abbreviated as RCA. This systematic process is fundamental for identifying the underlying reasons behind problems or incidents. It moves beyond merely addressing symptoms to uncover the true origins of an issue. RCA is a critical skill in various fields, from engineering and healthcare to business management. Its primary goal is to prevent recurrence by eliminating the fundamental causes, rather than just patching over immediate effects. By understanding why something went wrong, we can implement lasting solutions. This approach transforms reactive problem-solving into proactive prevention. It empowers individuals and teams to make informed decisions, leading to improved efficiency, safety, and overall performance. Mastering RCA equips you with a powerful analytical framework. The first crucial step in any root cause analysis is clearly defining the problem. This involves moving beyond vague descriptions to articulate the issue with precision. A well-defined problem statement sets the stage for effective investigation. Distinguish between symptoms and the actual problem. A symptom is an observable manifestation, while the problem is the undesirable event itself. For instance, low sales is a symptom. The problem might be declining customer engagement. Gather initial information to frame the problem accurately. Ask questions like, what happened? When did it happen? Where did it happen? Who was involved? How often does it occur? This initial data helps to scope the investigation. Once the problem is clearly defined, the next step is to systematically gather relevant data. This information provides the evidence needed to support or refute potential causes. Data collection must be thorough and objective. Consider various sources for your data. This might include incident reports, process logs, maintenance records, customer feedback, or interviews with personnel involved. The more diverse your data, the more complete your picture will be. Ensure the data collected is accurate, reliable, and directly pertinent to the problem. Irrelevant or biased data can lead to incorrect conclusions. Organize your findings in a structured manner for easier analysis. With data in hand, the focus shifts to identifying potential causal factors. These are the events or conditions that contributed to the problem. It is important to consider all possibilities without immediately judging their significance. Brainstorming sessions can be highly effective at this stage. Encourage all team members to contribute ideas, no matter how minor they seem. The goal is to generate a comprehensive list of potential contributors. Distinguish between direct causes and contributing factors. A direct cause immediately precedes the problem, while contributing factors create the conditions for the direct cause to occur. Both are important for a complete understanding. Several structured techniques can help pinpoint the true root cause. These methods provide frameworks for systematically exploring causal relationships. They guide your thinking beyond superficial explanations. One widely used technique is the 5 whys. This involves repeatedly asking why to peel back layers of symptoms and uncover the underlying cause. For example, the machine stopped. Why? Because the fuse blew. Why? Because of an overload. Another powerful tool is the fishbone diagram, also known as an Ishikawa diagram or cause and effect diagram. This visual tool categorizes potential causes into major branches, such as man, machine, material, method, measurement, and environment. It helps organize complex information and identify relationships. Fault tree analysis is a top-down, deductive failure analysis that uses Boolean logic to combine a series of lower-level events. It is particularly useful for analyzing safety and reliability issues in complex systems. While more complex, it offers a rigorous approach. A Pareto chart can also be valuable, especially when multiple causes are identified. It helps prioritize causes by showing which ones contribute most significantly to the problem. This allows you to focus your efforts where they will have the greatest impact. After identifying potential root causes using various techniques, the next step is to analyze and confirm them. This involves validating that the identified root cause is indeed the fundamental reason for the problem. It must be a cause that, if removed, would prevent recurrence. Test your hypotheses against the collected data. Does the evidence consistently support the identified root cause? Are there any inconsistencies or alternative explanations that need to be explored further? Ensure the identified root cause is truly fundamental and not just another symptom or contributing factor. A true root cause is something that, if addressed, will break the chain of events leading to the problem. It should be actionable. Once the root cause is confirmed, the next phase involves developing effective solutions. These countermeasures should directly address the identified root cause to prevent the problem from happening again. Focus on long-term prevention, not just quick fixes. Brainstorm a range of potential solutions. Consider both immediate actions to mitigate current impact and systemic changes to prevent future occurrences. Evaluate each solution for feasibility, cost, and potential side effects. Select the most appropriate solutions based on their effectiveness, practicality, and resource requirements. Prioritize solutions that offer the greatest impact with reasonable effort. Ensure solutions are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Developing solutions is only half the battle. Successful implementation is crucial. Put the chosen solutions into practice, ensuring all necessary resources and training are provided. Communicate changes clearly to all affected parties. After implementation, it is essential to verify the effectiveness of the solutions. Monitor key performance indicators and track relevant metrics to confirm that the problem has been resolved and is not recurring. This step closes the loop on the problem-solving process. If the problem persists or new issues arise, be prepared to reevaluate your solutions or even revisit the root cause analysis. Continuous monitoring and adjustment are vital for sustained improvement. RCA is an iterative process. Thorough documentation of the entire root cause analysis process is critical. Record the problem definition, data collected, techniques used, identified root causes, and implemented solutions. This creates a valuable knowledge base. Share lessons learned from the RCA with relevant teams and departments. This helps disseminate best practices and prevents similar problems from occurring elsewhere. It fosters a culture of learning and continuous improvement within an organization. Integrate RCA into your organizational culture as a standard practice for problem solving. By consistently applying this systematic approach, you build resilience and enhance your ability to proactively manage risks and challenges. Root cause analysis is more than just a problem-solving technique. It is a mindset. It encourages deep thinking, critical evaluation, and a commitment to long-term solutions. By systematically uncovering the fundamental reasons behind issues, you empower yourself and your teams. Embrace the principles of RCA to transform challenges into opportunities for growth and improvement. This structured approach ensures that problems are not just fixed, but truly resolved, leading to more robust and efficient systems. Master RCA and master problem prevention.